At Cub Cadet, we are committed to ensuring that you have the best experience with your Ultima Series Zero Turn mower. This video will show you how to change the blades. Remember, always wear gloves and safety glasses when inspecting or replacing blades. Check your blades every year and replace at the first sign of wear or damage. Dull blades tear the grass, which leads to an uneven cut and could turn the tips of your grass blades brown. Sharp blades cut the grass evenly, leading to a healthy-looking lawn and a pristine cut. Familiarize yourself with the specific owner's manual and instructions. Depending on your mower model, the instructions in this video tutorial may vary slightly from the directions in your owner's manual. Warning: if the Zero Turn has been recently run, the engine, muffler, and surrounding metal surfaces will be very hot and can cause burns to the skin. Let the engine cool for at least 5 minutes and exercise caution to avoid burns. Materials needed: owner's manual, genuine parts replacement blades, SAE wrenches, 15/16, SAE socket set, 15/16 with ratchet, block of wood or a blade removal tool, gloves, safety glasses. Move the Zero Turn to a level surface, disengage the PTO, stop the engine, and engage the parking brake by placing the right hand and left hand lap bars fully outward. Before you can change the blades, you can either remove the deck, refer to deck removal in your owner's manual, or in this example using a lawnmower lift. Now you're ready to remove the blades. When servicing the Zero Turn deck, be careful not to cut yourself on the sharpened blades. Use a blade removal tool, or if unavailable, place a block of wood between the deck housing and the cutting edge of the blade. To remove the blades, use a 15/16 socket or wrench. Break loose the blade nut. Carefully replace all blades. Replace the blades. Tighten the hex nuts and tighten the blades securely. Make sure that wings are pointing upward toward the top of the deck. Now you're ready to try the new blades on your yard. Use the Cub Cadet Parts Finder to locate and order any replacement parts you may need for maintenance. Refer to your owner's manual for additional maintenance information. Genuine factory parts are the only parts engineered and tested to meet Cub Cadet original equipment standards. For questions, additional parts and service, or product information, visit www.cubcadet.com or your local Cub Cadet dealership.